This one's tough. Peanut butter bottoms on the inside, you know what I'm saying? Which one is this? 550. Yeah? 550, eh? 550, eh? I like that one. That one's tough. Chill. Man, I'm dead. Yes, sir. Beautiful day to be great. Let's go be great. Let's get it, baby. Man. Before we start the day, bro, it's early in the morning. You can't tell me this is beautiful. The sun is shining on me, man. Yes. It's early day, yes. It's kind of cold outside. You see the tea. Drip check. You know what I'm saying? Drip check. Got a lot to do today, so let's get to this bag, man, and come with me. Cause we got a lot of fun going on. Yeah, baby, yeah. No, I gotta start off with some food, my guy.
Order whenever you're ready.
All right, can I get the 2 for $3, please? Wait. Oh, 2 chicken McGriddles. They don't have bacon?
No, it's just the chicken biscuits or chicken McGriddles.
All right, I'll take the 3 hotcakes with sausage then.
Okay.
And then can I get a bacon McGriddle with no cheese? Does that? Oh, the hotcakes with sausage don't come with the hash brown? I have to get the deluxe. Yeah, can I get that then? And then you can just take off the McGriddle, please. That's all. Oh, actually, orange juice, cause it doesn't come with a drink, so I'll take orange juice.
What size on the orange?
Medium, please. That's all. Gang.
It's about that action, make me Glock squeezing. Red beams on his head, now it stop leaking. I heard that boy got man down, you know the ops grieving.
Yo, I'm kind of salty, yo. Oh my god, bro. This is my second time doing that, bro. So, your boy got Mickey D's, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm finna grub, you know what I'm saying? Grubhub? No, I'm not sponsored, so I don't know why I said that. Yo, time has flew by, and as you can see by the title, we are here. Time to go look for the car, won't? Yeah. Woo. I think I like this one. Hold on, I've been looking, I ain't gonna lie. Look at this baby. Oh, this one. Not for sale, that's stuff. Yeah. I'm looking, Keezy gang. Hey, you tell me in the comments what you think. Got this 5 series, you know what I'm saying? This 548. I like this one too. I like this one. Crazy. This one's tough. Peanut butter bottoms on the inside, you know what I'm saying? Which one is this? 550. Yeah? 550, eh? 550, eh? I like that one. That one's tough. Let's look at this convertible. Let's look at this convertible. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we wear. Can't wait. See, them all nice, bro. You can't kind of really see, but yeah, they. I don't know which one I'm feeling. You know what I'm saying? What about this one? You know what I'm saying? I'm looking. You tell me. You know what I'm saying? I do like the peanut butter bottom. I do like the peanut butter on the inside. The peanut butter on the insides are tough. You telling me? Oh, who is that handsome young man? Man. I don't know, Keezy Gang, you know what I'm saying? Let me know, bro. I'm thinking, you know what I'm saying? I'm debating if, you know what I'm saying, if I want me like a Mercedes, if I want a BMW, I want a Lexus, drop top. I don't know, bro. This is fresh though, bro. The little IA vibes, you know what I'm saying? The little IA vibes on the sides right there, bro. You can't see the window, but it's just something I'm looking at, bro. These mugs is nice. I tell you that though. These mugs is definitely nice. You know what I'm saying? Gang. I think I like this red one though. Keezy Gang, you tell me, man. You tell me which one you like in the comments. Whoo, look at this baby. Shit, I'll be damned. Oh, I'll be damned. That bitch cold though. Peanut butter insides. That's tough. No, that's inspiration right there. One day, you know what I'm saying? One day, if you dream and you work hard, you know what I'm saying, anything possible, you know what I'm saying? But it's all about what you believe in. But right now, I'm straight on the Mitsubishi. I'm straight. Chill. They thought I stole the car. Oh my God. They thought I stole the car. That's tough, huh, buddy? Woo, it's hot. Yo, but Keezy fam, you let me know what you like. You know what I'm saying? Cause, you know what I'm saying, if I'm gonna be riding in it, you gonna be riding in it, right? So you let me know in the comments which one you like the best, or if I should go to another dealership. You know what I'm saying? I just came to look, you know what I'm saying, and see what I liked. And hey, I can always come back. You know what I'm saying? I just came to look, but I ain't gonna lie. BMW, I would love some peanut butter seats, man. One day though, you know what I'm saying? But I love my baby. Smash the button. Ooh, smash the like button if you loved the video. Smash the like button if you liked any of the cars I was looking at. Smash the like button if you appreciate Keys in the Clutch. Smash the like button if you want more content, just in a different, you know what I'm saying, environment, in a different setting, you know what I'm saying. I might test drive it. I might come to test drive it. I came to look this time, but I might go to test drive it. You let me know. Let me know, man. We family. I love you.